ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। अयुन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् ञामाङाणनं जबै घटदश जबगडदश खफ छठथ चटथौ कपै शशसर हल अकुग विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचु यशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः ऊपु उपध्वानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञामाङाण्णानां नासिका च एतैतो घो कण्ठतालु ओदौतोगो कण्ठोष्टम्
उदौतोः कण्ठोष्टम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
कारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेणाभिघता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम् रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम् रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान् रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोः रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोगो रामाणाम् रामे रामयोगो रामेषु हे राम हे रामो हे रामाः So you all know Rama Shabda?
Yes.
Important to memorize.
Yes.
Next Shabda also we will learn.
Yes.
This also you need to memorize. Please chant every day. Every day you chant at least once. These Shabdas can be committed to memory. Important. Karantaha Pullingaha Hari Shabdaha Harihi Hari Harayaha Harim Hari Harin Harina Haribhyam Haribihi Harine sorry Haraye Haribhyam Haribhyaha Harehe Haribhyam Haribhyaha Harehe Haryoho Harinam
Harinam.
Harau, Hariyoho, Harishu.
Harau.
Haryoho. Harishu.
So this is Hari. Same way we can do Kapi Shabda. Let us try. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Kapi Shabdaha.
Ikara.
Ikarantah.
Pullinga.
Kapi shabdah.
Kapihi Kapi Kapayaha.
Kapihi.
Kapayah.
See, Arihi Hari Areha. Kapihi Kapi Kapayaha. Kapim Kapi Harin. Therefore, this will become Kapi. Kapim Kapi Kapin.
Kapim.
Kapin.
Kapina Kapibhyam Kapibihi.
Kapina.
Then Haraye. Kapi will become
Kapaye.
Kapibhyam Kapibhyaha.
Kapibhyah.
Kapi Arehe is it will become
Kape.
Kapehe Kapehe Kapibhyam Kapibhyaha.
Kapehe.
Kapehe. Then
Kape.
Hariyoho will become
Kapayoho.
Kapyoho, not Kapayoho. Hari becomes Hariyoho.
Yes.
Kapi will become Kapyoho.
Kapyoho.
Hari, E is replaced. E you have to remove. When you remove E, you get Har. Then add Yogo. Hariyoho. Similarly, Kapi is remove E. Then add Yogo. Kap plus Yogo, Kapyoho. Not Kapyoho. Okay. Kapehe, Kapyoho, Kapinam.
Kapyoho. Kapinam.
Then Haro will become
Kapau.
Kapyoho, Kapishu.
Kapau. Kapyoho. Kapishu.
Then Sambodhana. Ekape, Ekapi, He Kapayaha. Similarly, Kavi Shabda. Let's do that also. You have to write it all these things as homework.
Yes.
Ikarantaha Pullingaha Kavi. Kavi means poet. Kavi Shabdaha. You try Kavihi. Then Kavim. Kavibhyaha. Then Kavyoho. Okay. Kavyoho. Yes. Okay. Good. Similarly, other Ikaranta Shabda. So many words are there. You please check the Shabda, the first the Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti only forms are given. It's the Master Shabda, Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda. There are examples are given. You refer the material which I sent before. You can practice those Shabda. So Rama, Hari Shabda, complete declensions. You must be knowing.
Yes, Guru.
Now we will do some simple exercise. You will read and just understand.
Okay.
You read, I will share now. You will read that which is in only Sanskritam. Other things not required. Each one of you will read one page. Then after that, we will continue with what we are doing, the translation. Yes, Akankshaji, we can read.
Yes, Guruji. Mama naam Ganeshah.
No, what does it
Up.
mean?
My name is Ganesh.
Ganesh. Ganesha is what vibhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti ekavachana.
Ekavachan.
Ekavachana rupam Ganesha.
Ganesh.
Pratipadikam
Ganesha Shabda.
Ganesha Shabdaha. Akarantaha Pullingaha Ganesha Shabdaha. Nama. Nama is what vibhakti?
Nama is
That is also Pratama
Prathama
vibhakti ekavachanam. It is not Akaranta. Don't worry about it now. Just note. Naman is the Pratipadikam. Nakarantaha Napumsakalingaha Naman Shabdaha. We will see that later. It's a long way to go. Not now. Just to know. Nama is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of the Pratipadikam Naman, which is Napumsakalingaha. Okay.
Yes.
Mama is
My.
Mama is my. What Purusha is that? Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, or Uttama Purusha?
Uttama Purusha.
It is Uttama Purusha because I. So
Yes.
Uttama Purusha, there is only Mama. No other words are there because speaker talking about himself. Right? So Mama.
Yes.
So simply you can know this. Mama, Aham is I, Mama is my.
My.
See, when you say Aham, Aham Ganesha also you can say, right? I am Ganesh. Then Mama Nama Ganesha also you can say, my name is Ganesh. So Mama is referring to that what you possess, what you have, right? Mama Pustakam, Mama Ghati, Mama Sanganakam, Mama Griham, Mama Lekhani, Mama Upanetram, Mama Karayanam. Similarly, Mama Nama. Nama is also your possession. It is not you. Even in the expression itself, you can see the Vedanta. That is not you. The name is your, that what you have. What you have is not you really, right? I have a car. Car is not me. Car is my possession. I have a body. Body is not me really. I like a car, which is not me, which I use it, it's a tool. Similarly, body is also a tool. It is a tool. It is given for you to operate properly. You are a trustee of the body. You don't own the body. Somebody has asked you to take maintenance of this body, care of the body. That's all. You can use the body. You cannot abuse the body because it is given to you. It is given to you. You are the trustee. You can possess it. You can have it. So it's a possession. It is not you, right? That itself shows Mama Shariram when you say. Similarly, the Shariram has got the name, not you. You cannot have the name. That's what Vedanta says. Aham Satchit Ananda Atma. Anyway, this is not Vedanta class. I'm just saying the word Aham referring to I. That I is extended to so many things, right? So that when you say Mama, it refers to that what you have, what you possess. It is not you, even the body and the name. The name is only for the body. That is why Shashti Vibhakti. Like anything, you say Mama, Mama Pustakam, Mama Karayanam, similarly Mama Nama. Aham Ganesha, that Aham, there Aham is, that Buddhi is placed on the Shariram, the body. Therefore, Aham Ganesha. Another way of saying is Mama Nama Ganesha. Both are same. There, Mama is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Nama is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ganesha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right? So when you say the answer, Mama Nama Ganesha, what should be the question? Please read.
Bhavatah Nam Kim. Bhavatyaha
Bhavataha,
Nam
what vibhakti? What vibhakti it should be? You can guess, even if you don't know.
Prathama Vibhakti.
How can it be Prathama vibhakti? Bhavataha nama kim means what?
What is your name?
Your name. How can it be Prathama vibhakti? You is Tvam. Prathama vibhakti. Or Bhavan or Bhavati if it is Strilinga. We saw in the last class, right? Bhavan is you, Bhavati is you. Bhavataha is the. Bhavan is
Yes.
Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Bhavati is also Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Bhavan is Pullinga. Bhavati is Strilinga. Here Bhavataha is there. What vibhakti is that?
Shashti
Shashti
Guruji.
vibhakti. Just connect with the previous sentence. Previous sentence is the answer. This is a question. Bhavataha nama kim? What is your name? Then you say, my name is Ganeshaha, right?
Yes.
So Bhavataha is also Shashti vibhakti. Just note, Mama is my, Shashti vibhakti ekavachanam. Bhavataha is your, which is Shashti vibhakti ekavachanam. Nama kim all same. Nama is Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Naman Shabda, as I said. Kim is also Kim Shabda, Prathama vibhakti. Or Kim can be taken as an Avyaya also. Okay, it is better you take it as a Avyaya, indeclinable. What is your name? Kim can be indeclinable also. There is a Kim which is not declinable. That's Kim which is declinable. We know that. Kaka ke, ka ke, kaha, Kim ke, khani. In all the gender, declinable. Here you can take it as indeclinable. So therefore, if anybody asks, Bhavataha nama Kim, you have to say Mama nama. Here is Pullinga. Because Bhavataha is that it is Pullinga. Shashti vibhakti, ekavachanam of the Shabda, Bhavat Shabda, which is Pullinga. And the next question, read that.
Bhavatyaha Nama Kim.
Yeah, Bhavatyaha is what now?
Shashti Vibhakti, but Strilinga.
Strilinga. So therefore, when you address Bhavataha nama Kim, Bhavatyaha nama Kim, right? Then answer is
Mama Nama Rajivaha.
Rajivaha. It has no connection. Rajiva is Pullinga, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you're asking a male person, Bhavataha nama Kim. If it is Strilinga, Bhavatyaha nama Kim. Okay, then continue.
Bhavataha Nama Kim. Mama Nama Sureshaha.
Yes, continue.
Mama Nama Radha. Mama Nama Sita. Bhavatyaha Nama Kim. Mama Nama Rama. Bhavataha Nama Kim. Mama Nama Ganeshaha.
Yes. Then Saha, that Saha Taute, Satetaha, Tattetani, and all we know. Similarly, Kaha Kauke, Ka ke Kaha, Kim ke Kani. Now, Akanksha ji and Anupama ji. Akanksha ji, you ask Anupama ji, what is your name?
Bhavatyaha Nama Kim.
Mama Nama Anupama.
You ask now her.
Bhavatyaha Nama Kim.
Mama Nama Akanksha.
Yes. Continue. Now Anupama ji will read. Please read.
Saha Kaha. Saha Shikshakaha.
You know, the meaning is, who is he?
Who is that? Who is he? Yeah, that is student.
It's a teacher.
Teacher. Okay. Shikshaka.
Shikshakaha Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Shikshika Srilinga. Saka Sa Shikshika. Okay, next one you can read.
Sa Ka. Sa Balika. Who is she? She is good. Tat Kim. Tat Pushpam. What is that? That is flower.
Then Yeshaha, we know Yeshaha Eto Yete, Esha Ete Etaha, Etat Ete, Etani. Similarly, Kaha Ka Kim. Okay, continue.
Eshaha Kaha. Eshaha Purushaha.
Who is this? This is a man. Okay.
एषा का एषा महिला who is she
Who is,
she's
who is this? She is a woman. Okay.
एतत् किम् एतत् गृहम्
Okay.
what is that? That is a house.
What is this? This is a house. Okay. This is a house. Continue.
सर्वनाम
No,
द्विवचन
ekaha kakaha you can read.
एकः काकः सः
Ekaha
पिपासित
kakaha is there. What does it mean? Kakaha
one
is
crow.
one crow. There is a crow.
Mm.
There is a ekaha kaka. Where is the kriya padam? Kriya padam asti va?
अस्ति
Asti not there. We have to supply. Asmin vakye kriya padam nasti. Right?
Mhm.
Kriya padam asti va? I'm asking you. It is there. Is it
आम्
there? Kriya
क्रियापदं
Not there.
not
Nasti.
नास्ति
So you supply. Ekaha kakaha asti.
अस्ति
There is a crow. Then
सः पिपासितः
pipasitaha. It's a new word. We don't know what is pipasitaha. He is thirsty. Pipasitaha. Like the Rama Shabda you can decline. Pipasitaha, pipasito, pipasitaha. You can decline that. Pipasita is a word. Means thirsty. Referring to the person who is thirst. Right? So, saha referring to kakaha. Saha kakaha. Pipasitaha. Kriya padam is asti.
अस्ति
एकः काकः अस्ति सः काकः पिपासितः अस्ति. That crow is
अस्ति
thirsty. Then
कुत्रपि जलं नास्ति
it should be kutrapi. That's a typo. Okay. Kutrapi dirgha tra. Kutrapi.
जलं नास्ति
Kutrapi jalam nasti. Kutra means where? Everywhere. Kutrapi is together is everywhere. Jalam nasti. Jalam na, if we connect na kutrapi, nowhere. Right? Nowhere there is water. Jalam nasti. Jalam is jala shabda. Akarantaha napumsakalingaha jala shabdaha. Like palam you can, pala shabda you can decline. Palam phale palani. Jalam jale jalani. Jalam nasti. Where? Kutrapi. There is no water. Na kutrapi na. Nowhere. There is nowhere is water. Then
सः भ्रमति
he roams. Wanders around. Kaha kakaha. Saha pipasitaha kakaha. That thirsty crow. Brahmati moves around. Then
एकम् उद्यानम् अस्ति
udyanam is garden.
गार्डन्
There is a garden. Ekam udyanam asti.
तत्र एकः कटः
Asti.
there is a pot
Yes, there is a pot. Tatra referring to there. Tatra referring to which place? Udyanam. Right? Udyane. Tatra is indeclinable. We cannot decline it. Okay. Tatra or tatra is the word meaning there. It is avyaya, not declinable. Okay. Udyana is napumsakalinga. Like what shabda? Pala shabda.
फलशब्द
What is the pala shabda? Saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. Udyana is declined like Rama shabda only from Tritiya vibhakti onwards. So you know Rama shabda. Then what is a saptami vibhakti?
उद्याने
Udyane. So therefore, tatra is equal to udyane.
उद्याने
Understand?
Hmm.
Tatra is indeclinable. But tatra referring to the udyanam. Udyana is like pala shabda. Pala shabda from Tritiya vibhakti onwards decline like Rama shabda.
रामशब्द
Therefore, saptami vibhakti of Rama shabda is Rame. Pala Shabda is Pale. Therefore, Udyana will be Udyane. Tatra referring to the place, the location. Therefore, Udyane I said. Understand? Tatra is equal to Udyane. Putra Udyane. Udyane Ekaha Gataha Asti. There is a pot in the garden. Right? Continue.
Khate alpam jalam asti.
Asti. Kate what vibhakti?
In the
Okay.
Saptami again.
Now, you approach a vacuum sentence, you have to ask, Asti, Kim Asti? Jalam Asti. Jalam is little. Alpam Jalam. A little. Kutra?
Khate.
Ghate. Gata is like
Sap
Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda, Saptami.
Ghate. In the pot. There is a little water in the pot. Ghate Swalpam Alpam Jalam Asti. Okay.
Kakah shilakhandam anayati.
Anayati means brings. Brings. Who brings? Kaha anayati? Kakaha anayati. He is the karta. Therefore, it is Pratama Vibhakti. It brings what? A
Piece of
stone.
rock.
Stone is the object, the karma. Here. Therefore, it will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Vidya.
Shilakhanda is a Pratipadika. Shilakhanda is the Pratipadika, a stone. Shilakhandam, Shilakhande, Shilakhandani. Like Napumsakalinga, Pala Shabda you can decline. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana. Kakaha Kim Anayati? Kakaha Shilakhandam Anayati. Kaha Anayati? Kakaha Anayati. Kim Anayati? Shilakhandam Anayati. So crow brings a stone. Okay, then
Jalam upari agachati.
Agachati comes. Kim Agachati? Jalam. Right?
Upari agachati.
Jalam comes. Where? Upari comes above. Upari means above. Comes above. It means it rises up. Upari agachati. Jalam comes to the top. Upari agachati. Upari is that upari of the gata. Gata upari. Or gatasya upari comes to the surface. Right? Okay, then
Kakah jalam pipati.
Pibati means drinks. Who drinks? Kakaha pibati.
Kakah.
Kim pibati? Jalam pibati.
Jalam pipati.
That is karma. Water comes above. Crow drinks the water. Then next
Gacchati.
sentence. Gacchati. Gacchati is a sentence.
Goes.
Saha kakaha gacchati. It's a simple story. Ekaha kakaha asti. Saha pipasitaha asti. Saha kakaha. Kutrapi jalam nasti. Saha kakaha brahmati. Ekam udyanam asti. Tatra udyane ekaha gataha asti. Gate alpam jalam asti. Saha kakaha shilakhandam anayati. Jalam upari agachati. Kakaha jalam pibati. Kakaha gachati. Other we can supply other sentences, but he is making it very simple. It has to put the stone in the pot. Not one stone, bring stones. It has to do that, putting stones in the pot repeatedly. Then water comes above. Then what? Then the crow drinks. Then it goes away happily. All those things to be supplied. That is not here now. At this context, we will not say later. We will see. When we learn more, we can add more and more sentences and develop the story well. We can understand this. This is a simple, in simple Sanskritam. Can you all follow this?
Yes, Guru.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, good.
Okay, the next one. Next person can read.
Mushakau. Yeah. Yes. Mushakau khadatah. Balau
What is Kadataha?
eats.
What
Eating.
Purusha, what Vachanam?
Khadatah is a पुल्लिंगा ekvachanam.
Oh, Kriyapadam also can have a gender. Huh?
Oh, no, sorry. So it is a, yeah,
When you say Kriyapadam, it just be no Purusha, no Linga, only Purusha.
yes.
You have to tell the Purusha. What Purusha is that? Is it Pratama, Madhyama, or Uttama Purusha?
Madhyama.
Madhyama. Why Madhyama?
Taham khadatah
Is it
means
you? Is it you?
no, sorry. It is a prathama vibhakti.
Pratama, it is third
Yes.
person.
Third person, yes.
Moshakau,
Shakau.
to
That-
Moses. Kadataha, eat.
Yes,
Mushakaha kadati, mushakau kadataha, mushakaha kadanti.
Adanti, yes.
To mouse, or to the mice, to Moses mice.
Yes,
To Moses, to mice, eat.
it's
Then
Balo hasatah. Two child,
boys
two boys laughs.
laugh. Then
Ajay charatah. Two goat. Ajay means many.
not
Male.
many.
It will be Ajay. So
Ajay is what Shabda? What is the Pratipadikam? What Linga?
Aja, Strilinga.
Strilinga. Good.
Yes.
So two female goats roam
Go.
or graze.
Yes.
Charati could be it can be moving or grazing. Grazing would be better.
Yes.
Graze. So two goats graze.
Grace. Yes. Mahile gayatah. Mahile. So two
Women
women sings.
Two women sings. Then
Vahane chalatah. Vahanam. So this is also two car.
two vehicles. Vahana is
vehicles.
Napumsakalinga.
Yes. Two vehicle moves.
Go. Yes. Next. Continue.
Pushpe vikasatah. Two flowers blooms.
Bloom. Two flowers blossom or bloom.
Oh, blossoms. Yeah.
Continue.
Te taha tani. Te balikaha gachanti.
Balakaha gachanti.
Balakaha gachanti.
Ke gachanti. Te gachanti.
Te gachanti.
Te ke. Te balaka.
Balakaha.
They are boys.
Yes.
Those boys are going.
Yes.
Then-
Those Te purushaha gachanti.
Same.
They
Gachanti. Ke gachanti. Te gachanti. Te ke. Te purushaha. They are male. Purushaha gachanti.
gachanti. Taha mahilaha gachanti.
Gachanti only doesn't depend on the gender of the noun, right? So
Yes.
Purusha. All these are Pratama Purusha, third person.
Yeah.
Yes.
Taha mahilaha kim taha mahilaha gachanti.
See, when you read a sentence, in the mind, how you have to understand is, first always you have to look at the Kriya Padam.
Kriyapadam. Yes.
Gachanti. Gachanti, when you read, so you have to, from that Kriya Padam, you have to infer the Purusha and the Vachanam. That is obvious, you can do it. Gachanti is Pratama Purusha and it is Bhagavachanam, and therefore Karta must be there, which is in Bhagavachanam, Pratama Purusha. So
Yes.
therefore you ask, Ke Gachanti,
Okay.
Kaha Kauke, or if it is Strilinga, Kaha, Kake Kaha, or if it is Napumsakalinga, Kani.
Right.
So here it is Mahilaha is the Kaha Gachanti,
Taha gachanti. Yes.
Taha Gachanti. Those are going.
Hmm.
Kaha. Who are those people? Taha Mahilaha. That is how you have to ask and get answer. Then you understand.
Okay.
Simple sentence. The same logic is applied even for a bigger sentence also.
Right.
Okay.
Taha balikaha gachanti.
Hmm.
Kaha
You have to practice this. Gachanti. Ke gachanti.
ke gachanti.
Then
Taha gachanti. Taha
kaha.
taha kaha. Taha balikaha.
Yes. This you have to do abhyasa, practice for every sentence.
Yes, Guruji.
From the beginning and onwards, you can do like this. It will be easy later. Yeah.
Yes. Tani phalani patanti.
Hmm.
Patanti. So
False.
false. Yes.
Fall.
Bahuvachan.
Bhagavachanam. Fall. Okay.
Yes. And phalani is this thing like kim patanti.
Kani patanti. Bhagavachanam.
Sorry, first is kani patanti, tani patanti. So kim tani,
Tani kani, not kim. There is no kim. Kim is ekavachanam.
ekvachan, yeah, tani. Tani kani, tani phalani,
Yes.
tani phalani patanti.
Hmm.
Tani puspani vikasanti.
See, this is exercise for everyone. Not that because she is reading in this class is not only for her. Okay. The reader is only an upalakshana. Through the reader, everybody is being taught. Okay. I hope you understand. It's not only for her, for everybody has to practice this. That is how I
Yes.
do all the classes also. Okay. The reader is only an upalakshana. It's only a nimitta. It's only a means. Make one person read, the other person also understand. The reader also understand, and the listener also understand. Right? Yes. Please read.
Etau ghatau staha. Etau is a dvivachanam and a ghata. That is a
Here
pullinga.
also ask question and get answer. Etau ghatau staha. How do you ask now?
Staha
Staha
kaha.
is there. Then
Staha.
kaustaha.
Kaustaha. Yes. Kaustaha. Etau
Etau
staha.
staha. Etau kau.
Kau. Etau ghatau.
Same approach. Okay. No change.
Ete balike staha. Like ete ke. No, sorry, that will be the second. Ke. Ke.
K, right only.
Ke.
Ka case is Srilinga. Ke staha, ete staha.
Ete staha. Ete ke.
Ete ke,
Ete balike.
malike.
Ete mandire staha. So ke staha. Ete staha. Ete ke. Ete mandire. Ete etaha etani. Ete granthaha santi. Santi is also so it will be ke
Grantha is Pullinga. Therefore,
pulling.
yes,
Ke.
right. You're right. Ke,
Ke santi. Ke santi.
santi.
Ete santi.
Ete santi. Then
te ke.
ete. Ete ke.
Ete ke. Ete granthaha.
Ete granthaha.
Etaha mahilaha santi. Ke santi.
Kaha santi. Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachanam it is, yeah. Kaha santi. Kaha santi. Etaha santi. Etaha kaha santi. Etaha mahilaha santi.
Good.
Etani grihani santi. Gruham. Phalam phale phalani. Yeah. So it will be kani santi.
Good.
Etani santi. Etani kani santi. Etani gruhani santi.
Yes.
Aham bhavan bhavati.
Chitrani. Etani.
Oh, etani chitrani santi. Chitram. So kim No, but Santi is a Bahuvachan. So Kani,
Kani santi.
Kani Santi, Etani Santi.
Etani kani.
Etani Kani, Etani Chitrani Santi.
Yes. Now you
Aham.
note this. Aham, Bhavan, Bhavati. Aham is Uttama Purusha. Aham is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Uttama Purusha, only one Shabda is there. No other Shabda, only Asmat Shabda, whose Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Aham. And Yushmad Shabda is Madhyama Purusha, only one Purusha, only one Shabda for Yushmad also. It is Madhyama Purusha, Yushmad. That will be Tvam, Ivam, Yoyam. Now, with respect we have for both Pullinga and Strilinga, Bhavat or Bhavati, that is, Bhavan is Pratama Purusha, the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Bhavan, and Bhavati is also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it is Strilinga. So, Aham, Bhavan, Bhavati, all are Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Aham is Uttama Purusha, I. Bhavan or Bhavati is Madhyama Purusha. And Tvam also is there. So for Madhyama Purusha, only three Shabdas are there. Okay. You can say, but if you include Bhavan and Bhavati also, three Shabdas. The rest are all Pratama Purusha Shabda, Rama, Ganesha. Okay. The next one. Next person, Parulji, can read.
Yes, sir. Aham ke साथ नहीं Aham Rameshah.
I am Ramesh.
Aham Rameshah. I am Ramesh.
What is the Kriya Padam?
Asti.
Huh?
Kriyapadam is asti.
Asi.
Asti. Asti.
Kriya Padam is Asti.
Aham Rameshah.
Asmi.
Asmi. I'm talking about you. It is Uttama Purusha. I am Ramesh. Talking about I, the me.
Okay.
Right? Aham Rameshaha Asmi. How can it be Asti?
Okay.
Asmi.
Asmi.
Don't struggle too much. Huh? Asmi. All these things we have seen before.
Uttam Purusha. Asmi.
Uttama Purusha, not Uttam Purusha.
Uttam Purusha.
Do you do homework? Do you study
Yes,
daily?
sir. Yes.
Or once in a week?
No, I study daily, sir. But still.
Then chant all these things. Asti staha santi. Asi staha sta. Asmi swaha smaha. Chant every day. Shabda. Rather. Okay.
Okay, sir. Aham Mohanaha.
Asmi.
Asmi. Aham Mohana Asmi.
Mohana, you should not say.
Mohanaha.
Mohanaha, you have to decline it.
Mohana.
Mohanaha. I am Mohan.
Mohanaha. I am Mohan.
Read.
Bhavan Kaha.
Where is the Kriya Padam? Bhavan Kaha.
So it will be,
You have to supply Kriya Padam.
yeah. So that is a you, your Madhyam Purusha. So see, no?
Tell, I don't know.
Asti, no, not Asti. It would be Madhyam Purusha, no? Because Bhavan is you. So Kaha. So see.
Asi or Asti or Asmi, which one will come?
Asi.
Anybody?
Asi it will come.
Asti.
Asti.
With respect, Asti.
It is,
With
even
respect.
though it is referring to the person standing right in front of
with
you,
respect. Yes.
but still it is considered to be Pratama
person.
Purusha. Listen, listen. When I speak,
Yes.
you also don't continuously speak. Please listen. It's not only for you, for others also. So this Bhavan and Bhavati, even though it means you only, it is not the Kriya Padam, what to use, we should not use the Madhyama Purusha Kriya Padam, like Asi and all. We should use Prathama Purusha only, because it is with the respect. It is with the respect, therefore Prathama Purusha only to be used. But the meaning wise, it is Madhyama Purusha. You are. Who are you? That is what you are asking. Tvam kaha asi. Who are you? That is anybody you can ask. I mean, anybody of your same age or some new, the person who is of same age or doesn't need to be addressed with respect. You can ask. But Bhavan is with respect. Yes, a senior person or some respectable person, right? Or you have respect for that person for whatever may be the reason, right? So we have to address Bhavan. When a gentleman comes, you have to ask Bhavan kaha. We don't ask Tvam kaha. So Tvam kaha, Tvam asi. Bhavan asti only. So even though it is you, it is Madhyama Purusha, but the Kriya Padam, what you have to use is Prathama Purusha Kriya Padam you have to use. So Bhavan kaha asti only. Asti, the word Kriya Padam not there, we have to supply. Bhavan kaha asti. This we saw in the last class itself, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
before that.
Yes, we have seen. Yes.
Hmm.
Now read, Paralji.
Aham Sureshah Asmi.
Asmi, yes.
Gurvachaka
That's okay.
Shabda.
That don't read that in the
Aham
only Sanskritam.
Aham Dhiraha.
Hmm. Kriya
Aham
Padam is
Dhiraha.
Asmi.
Dhira.
Okay,
Asmi,
see,
yeah,
you have to
that
do
is-
it because if we
Aham
take too much time,
Dhiraha
I will have to
Asmi.
answer and move on. Huh?
Aham
Be prepared.
Dhiraha Asmi.
Hmm.
Aham Deshabhaktaha Asmi.
Hmm.
Bhavan Kaha Asti.
Hmm.
Aham Samaj Sevakaha.
Samaj Sevakaha, social worker.
हाँ समाज सेवकः
Samaj Sevakaha Asmi.
समाज सेवकः अस्मि अहं राम
Not Rama.
Asmi.
Agam Rama
Rama.
Asmi.
अहं रमा अस्मि अहं सुधा अस्मि भवती का
Bhavati ka, who are you? Addressing
Yeah.
a Strilinga, a female. Bhavati ka asti, who are you? With respect.
Yes.
Tvam also you can use if it is any gender. Tvam of equal status or below. Tvam can be used. If it is with respect, depending on the gender, the word has to be changed, either Bhavan or Bhavati. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Bhavan Pullinga, Bhavati Strilinga. Yes. Bhavati ka asti.
का अस्ति अहं राधा अस्मि
Hmm.
अहं समाज सेविका
Samaja Sevika. You are not reading properly. Not Samaj.
समाज अहं समाज सेविका
Asmi.
अस्मि
Samaja Sevika is Strilinga. Samaja Sevaka is Pullinga.
पुल्लिङ्गः
You can note that. Okay.
यस अहं वीराङ्गना
Virangana Asmi.
अस्मि
Then
त्वं कः असि
Asi.
असि
Yes.
Tvam
it is
kaha
Madhyama
asi.
Purusha. Tvam kaha asi.
कः असि अहं शीला
Agam
अस्मि
Ganeshaha Asmi.
Oh, sorry. अहं गणेशः
The
अस्मि
word question, listen, the question kaha itself gives you information. What information does it give? Anybody? Tvam kaha.
Pullinga.
Very good.
पुल्लिङ्ग
It is,
Eka-
you're asked the person,
एकवचन
the person is Pullinga, it is Ekavachanam. Tvam kaha means, who are you? Tvam kaha asi. Asi is understood. Kaha is there, therefore the person has to be a male, Pullinga, Shabda kaha. And it is Ekavachanam also. The next one, continue.
त्वं का Ka is second. So
What is the
Tvam
Kriya
Ka,
Padam?
Kriya Padam I'm telling Astah.
Astaha.
Astah.
New word.
Astah.
Tvam ka asi. Okay, I'll keep
Asti.
telling. You are not telling, reading properly.
Madhyam Purusha Ka. Okay.
Tvam
Gone.
ka
So
asi.
Kaha, Asi.
Ka tells you that the person is a Strilinga.
Ka is Strilinga.
See, the way again we cannot repeat. We have to move on forward, right? For one person, you have to work on that. I help you to work on that. After that, you have to
Yes, sir,
develop.
I'm working very
Yeah, that's
hard.
what the
but
class. You should not pull it down. You have to
I
keep pace
listen
with the
the-
class. Okay,
Hmm.
you have to work on that. Otherwise, what happens if I spend every time, then it takes the class time. I got only one class a week. That 1 hour only. Time not there. Then we'll be
Correct.
reading the same thing. Class will become boring for the people also. Have to pick up.
Aham Sheila Asmi.
Hmm.
मैं अहम नायकः अहम नायकः अस्मि.
Nayakaha asmi. The reading also to be improved.
अहम
Nayakaha
नायकः
asmi.
अस्मि. अहम
Nayaka is, what is the meaning of Nayaka?
Nayaka is actor.
No.
Uh,
Nayaka can be actor. Yes, possible.
Leader.
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 Nayaka is a hero. I mean, if you extend that to
Okay.
cinema field, it's a hero. But
Okay.
Nayaka really means leader. Heroes are supposed to be leader. Anyway, then
अहम गायकः अस्मि.
Gayaka is
गायकः is a singer,
singer. Nayika is
female singer.
female or heroine, you can say. Gayika is female singer. Okay. Continue.
अहम चिकित्सकः
Chikitsikaha asmi.
चिकित्सकः अस्मि. Yeah, that's I'm going to say. अहम
Aham, what is the meaning? Chikitsikaha asmi.
चिकित्सकः is who sees patient,
Doctor.
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 If it is Strilinga, Aham chikitsika
चिकित्सकः.
asmi. Okay.
अहम शिक्षिका अस्मि. Teacher.
Female teacher. Yes.
Teacher. अहम कर्मकरः अस्मि. कर्मकर is cobbler.
Worker. No.
Worker.
Not cobbler is charmakara.
चर्मकर.
Charma meaning skin. Karma means work. Karmakara is worker. I am a worker.
Worker.
Male worker.
अहम कर्मकरी अस्मि. This is a female worker.
Hmm.
अहम गृहस्थः
Asmi.
अस्मि.
I am a
Aham.
householder.
I am a householder. अहम गृहिणी अस्मि. अहम
I am
पुरुषः.
housewife.
I am a housewife. Okay. अहम पुरुषः अस्मि. अहम એટલે I am a man.
Hmm.
अहम महिला अस्मि. I am a female.
Next person, Subbalakshmi ji. Please read.
भवान् युवकः.
So listen before we proceed. Bhavan is Pullinga Shabda. It is Bhavat Shabda Bhavat is a Pullinga Shabda. So Bhavan, when I say Pullinga, I mean the Shabda is, Linga is Pullinga. Okay. Shabda is Bhavat. Okay, Bhavat Shabda, don't worry. We will see that what its declension is different. The declension is Dakarantaha Pullingaha. That and all we will see later. Just to know the form, that much is enough now. So Bhavan is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Bhavat Shabda. Bhavat is Pullinga. So I'll just say Pullinga. Pullinga Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. Remember the forms. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. Strilinga will be Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyaha. Nadi Shabda we know. The Strilinga is easy. If you know Nadi Shabda, Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Nadi Shabda. Similarly, Bhavati, Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyaha. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha, bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyah. Now in keeping with the proper noun, you have to use this shabda in terms of, in keeping with the vachanam. In keeping with the vachanam and the gender, you have to use appropriate words. Okay, now you read.
भवान् युवकः
Kriya
अस्ति
padam.
अस्ति
Yes.
भवन्तौ
Yuva means
युवकः
young
young
person.
fellow,
You are a young man.
young man. भवन्तौ
Read.
भवन्तौ युवकौ
Kriya padam.
स्तः
You have to complete. Bhavantau yuvakau
Yuvakah.
staha.
भवन्तौ युवकौ स्तः भवन्तः युवकाः अस्ति
Asi.
भवन्तः युवकाः सन्ति
Santi.
भवान्
Hmm.
सुशीलः अस्ति
Asti.
भवन्तौ सुशीलौ स्तः भवन्तः सुशीलाः सन्ति भवान् गायकः अस्ति भवन्तौ गायकौ स्तः भवन्तः गायकाः सन्ति भवान् शिक्षकः अस्ति भवन्तौ शिक्षकौ स्तः भवन्तः शिक्षकाः सन्ति भवान् कः अस्ति भवन्तौ कौ स्तः भवन्तः के सन्ति.
Yes, this is the question for which the answers are given above. Bhavan kaha, Bhavan shikshakaha, Bhavan gayakaha, Bhavan sushilaha. Similarly, Bhavantau kau. Okay, now Strilinga. Read.
भवती का अस्ति भवन्त्यौ के स्तः
Bhavatyau, not Bhavantyau.
भवत्यौ के स्तः भवत्यः काः सन्ति भवती शिक्षिकाः अस्ति
Shikshika.
शिक्षिका अस्ति
Not shikshikaha.
भवती शिक्षिका अस्ति भवत्यौ शिक्षिके स्तः भवत्यः शिक्षिका
Bhavatyah. Yes.
भवत्यः शिक्षिकाः सन्ति भवती चतुरा अस्ति
What is Chatura?
चतुरा इंटेलिजेंट
Intelligent. So it is Strilinga. Why? Because Bhavati. If it is
Yeah.
Pullinga, Bhavan
चतुरः
Chaturaha.
भवत्यौ चतुरे स्तः भवत्यः चतुराः सन्ति
So Chatura, Chature, Chaturaha. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdavat. So Chatura is a adjective, can be declined in all the gender. Please note this. Visheshana, that is adjective, can be declined in any gender. Because it is Visheshana, it's a qualifier. It qualifies the qualified. So depending on the gender of the qualified, the gender and vibhakti and vachanam, the Visheshana, the adjectives can be, right? So Chatura means intelligent. Pullinga Chaturaha Chataro Chaturaha Rama Shabdavatu. Strilinga Chatura Chature Chaturaha. Similarly, the other words, any words, you can take Sundara, Asundari, right? These are all adjectives. Adjectives are declinable in any gender. Okay, continue.
भवती गायिकाः अस्ति
Gayika,
गायिका अस्ति भवत्यौ गायिके स्तः भवत्यः गायकाः सन्ति
Gayikaha Santi.
भवती
Reading is making mistakes. Read properly.
भवत्यः गायकाः सन्ति
Gayakaha is there or Gayikaha?
गा-
Oh, okay. Gayakaha is that. Okay, it is wrong actually. Is it correct? Is it correct or wrong? Bhavatyaha is what linga?
Strilinga.
श्रीलिंग
Gayakaha will be
Pullinga.
Pullinga, therefore it's a mistake. You have to spot the mistake also. It should be
Gayikaha.
Gayikaha. Bhavatyaha Gayikaha Santi, not Gayakaha. It's a mistake. Okay.
Okay.
If it is Bhavantaha, then Gayakaha Santi. Right? Continue.
Bhavati grahika asti.
Grahika.
Grahika asti. Bhavatyau grahike staka. Bhavatyaka grahikaha santi.
Grahika means the one who accepts or the holder, the one who receives. Grahika. Okay. Then
Bhavati ka asti. Bhavatyau ke staka. Bhavatyaka kaha santi. Aham chatraha asti. Avam chatra.
Chatraha Asmi.
Sorry. Aham chatraha asmi. Avam chatrau staka. Vayam chatraha staka.
Saga. Aham Chatraha Asmi. Avam Chatrau Swaha. Vayam Chatraha
Staka.
Taha.
Smaha.
Asti Staha Santi. Asi Staha Sta. Asmi Swaha Smaha. Got the paper with you, the notes, what I sent?
Yes, Guruji.
Have this, you can see, refer that and tell what are the Kriya Padam. Right?
Vayam chatraha smaha. Aham rakshakaha asmi. Avam rakshakau stava.
Stava.
Swaha. Sorry. Swaha. Vayam rakshakaha smaha. Aham sevakaha asmi. Avam sevakau swaha. Vayam sevakaha smaha.
The samskara has to come. It has not come means practice not sufficient, I would say. I won't say you are not practicing. The Samskrita samskara, that is what we are doing. The reading is not just for reading. It is the samskara has to come. Only when you speak, the language also comes. So when you keep on reading, then only you will know what the correct word is. It comes only by practice, repeated practice of the same. It's okay. Same many exercises we have done almost repeated also. Practice should come. Okay. Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Aham karyakarta asmi.
Karyakarta. What Purusha, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
Prathama Purusha.
Of course, it is Pratham Purusha. Anyway, okay. Fine, you can say here because Aham is, but Karyakarta is as such the word, if you look at it is, it is Prathama, it is the third person, but here Aham talking about you.
Aham is Uttama Purusha.
Leave that Purusha. Then tell me what Vibhakti, what Vachana. What's the Pratipadikam?
Karyakartaha.
Karyakartaha. Karyakartaha will be the Pratipadikam. Will Pratipadikam will have Visarga? Visarga will come only when you decline. How can the Pratipadikam have Visarga? What's the Pratipadikam? Anybody?
Karyakartru.
Kartru, Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha.
Okay.
Prakarantaha, Pullingaha, Kartru Shabdaha.
Okay. Okay.
Karyakarta means worker. Okay, read.
Aham karyakarta asmi. Avam karyakartarau swaha. Vayam karyakartarau smaha.
Kartaraha.
Kartaraha smaha. Aham patakaha asmi.
What is Patakaha?
Patakaha means reads.
I am the reader, not reads.
Okay. I am the
Patami is I read. Patakaha, the reader.
reader.
Pataka is a noun or it's a verb? Maji, is it a noun or a verb? Simple question.
Noun.
It's a noun. Any doubt is there?
No, no. Asmi
Aham
only.
Patakaha Asmi. So
Asmi
it
only.
is a noun. I'm
Yes.
the reader. Okay.
आवां पाठकौ स्वः वयं पाठकाः स्मः
Hmm.
अहं भारतवासी अस्मि आवां भारतवासिनौ स्वः वयं भारतवासिनः स्मः.
This Shabda we will see later. Don't worry about it. Bharatavasin Nakaranta Shabda. We have not seen. In fact, we have not seen many Shabda. It's only in the beginning.
Okay.
So leave it. Just know Bharatavasi, Bharatavasino, Bharatavasinaha. Then continue.
अहं ग्रामवासी अस्मि आवां ग्रामवासिन्यौ
Gramavasinau.
ग्रामवासिनौ स्वः वयं ग्रामवासिनः स्मः.
Hmm.
षष्टिपाठः तस्य तस्य तस्याः तस्य
Tasya, tasyaha, tasya. Right.
कस्य
Tasya is Pullinga, tasyaha is Strilinga, tasya is Napumsakalinga. We know this. We have, it's not difficult. It is same like if you know Pullinga Shabda, the Shabda is now. We will see that.
कस्य पुल्लिङ्ग कस्याः स्त्रीलिङ्ग कस्यः नपुंसकलिङ्गः.
Kasyaha na. Kasya only, not kasyaha. Don't add visarga.
कस्य नपुंसकलिङ्गः. एतस्य पुल्लिङ्गः एतस्याः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतस्य नपुंसकलिङ्गः.
Hmm.
बालकस्य पुल्लिङ्गः बालिकाया स्त्रीलिङ्गः
Balikayaha.
बालिकायाः स्त्रीलिङ्गः फलस्य नपुंसकलिङ्गः. मम पुल्लिङ्गः
Pullinga,
भवतः.
not only Pullinga. Even if I say mama, you say mama only. It is all linga.
पुल्लिङ्गः स्त्रीलिङ्ग also.
Hmm.
भवतः पुल्लिङ्ग भवत्याः स्त्रीलिङ्ग.
Now here you note, Shashti Vibhaktis are given here. So Shashti Vibhakti is a sambandha. It is called a sambandha, connects you with the main noun in the sentence. As I said before, mama nama, mama pustakam, mama lekhanam, mama karayanam. Similarly, instead of mama, if you use tasya, means is. Whose kasya? Whose book? Kasya pustakam, tasya pustakam, or mama pustakam. If it is Strilinga, kasyaha pustakam. Whose book? Tasyaha pustakam, her book. If it is Napumsakalinga, kasya vaganam. I mean, not kasya vaganam, kasya. It is Strilinga. If it is Napumsakalinga, if you say tantasya. Similarly, etasya. Etasya means of this. Etasya Pullinga, etasyaha. Kasya pustakam, balakasya pustakam, balakasya, like Ramasya. If it is Strilinga, balikayaha. It is Rama Shabda. We will see Shashti Vibhakti. Ekavachanam, balikayaha, Ramayaha. And similarly, for Uttama Purusha, it is mama. Mama is mama only for all the linga. Okay, anyway, there is Napumsakalinga cannot say mama, so therefore Pullinga Strilinga is given. And Shashti Vibhakti, that you know. And Bhavataha is Pullinga, Bhavatyaha is Strilinga. So, Ramaha, Ramasya, Palam, Palasya, just giving the Shashti Rupam. Rama is, the Shashti Vibhakti Rupam of Rama Shabda is Ramayaha. Sita is Sitayaha. Nadi, Ikaranta Shabda, Nadyaha. Gati is Gatyaha. Okay. I think we can stop here. Then the next class we will do this. This is the connection with what we have been seeing in the last class. The Shashti Vibhakti, the Rupam. Okay. The Shashti Vibhakti, that's what I have introduced. If you remember the class last or before that. So Pratama Vibhakti, we must be knowing very well now.
Yes, Guruji.
Now Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti is called Sambandha. It shows the connection. connection with the main noun in the sentence.
Okay.
Like Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha asti. Kaha asti? Ramaha asti. Ramaha is son. Son of whom? That is, it will be in Shashti Vibhakti. Dasharathasya. Sitayaha patihi Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha asti. We will see. We will see that in the next class. But you have to be familiar with the Kriya Padam and Shabda. Practice. Read the simple Sanskritam passages. You need to improve your reading. Okay. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I'm not going at the fast pace. I'm going at a very slow pace only. Can pick up. Is it difficult to follow?
No, Guruji.
No, Guruji, no.
Guruji, can you send us some material to help us read, Guruji? Some passages or something which we can use. I think in those workbooks, we don't have any, we have only sentence, I think words, Guruji.
Passages, the workbook, it is the first workbook, the Subhashitams and some few passages are there in the first one. If the reading practice,
Okay.
what we did. I would recommend you to read Gita.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
read Gita. If it can be chanted, it is good. Otherwise, reading is okay.
Okay.
You can practice with the Gita.
Okay.
Or simple
And-
passages. Simple passages, as I said, it is in the first book. The Akshara introduction given. There at the end, you will see Subhashitam and some passages.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I will send you for home. You can read. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavad.